Saturday. It is a little chilly out here, but the sun feels amazing, a little warm after 3 days of rain. I'd rather take this weather. The skies are real clear and very blue and beautiful. Let me show you. There's snow on the mountains. Look at the mountains on this side. We have no snow, but we do have snow right up there. I have a photo shoot today at 3 p.m. So I'm very excited about that. What are you guys up to this weekend? Drop in your comments.